JavaScript array map method is a function that by default creates another array by looping through an array. So I have here an array of Straw Hat Pirates where I have here a member with the first name of Luffy and the last name of Dragon, as well as Zoro Marimo and Nami and Swan. So what I want to achieve is that I want an array with their full names. So I want a result where I have a Luffy, Dragon, Zoro Marimo, and Nami, Swan in that order. So this is how you can use the array map method to achieve this one. So to call for the array map method, you just have to append it right after the array. So I have here straw hats and I want to add the map. So the map takes in a, a function and a callback function. So this callback function accepts whatever the item in here in the straw hat. For example, I want to name that a member, or I can you can name it profile, you can name it user, or it depends upon you. So I can name that member. So this is a member, this is a member, and this is another member. So actually you can when I first started, I don't know why is it that you can change the parameter names in here, but it's just what it is. You can name that however you want, as long as you have the reference. So whatever value you have in here, it should be referenced to the whatever you named your parameter in here that accepts this data. So then I have to return, because I want to have their full name. I have to append first name and last name. So but this doesn't do anything yet because I have not returned anything, or I have not stored it in a variable. So I have to store it in full names. So and then I can console log that full names, and I know that this will be the output: Luffy, Dragons, or Marimo, and MS1. So right there. And the good thing about the map method is because it does not mutate the original array. So for example, the straw hats, I want to console that log. The straw hat is still the original form, so it doesn't mutate this object or object or array of objects. So to clean this up, you can actually do this one line where this bracket signifies the code block. So if you want to do one line, just have to remove that and then do this instead. So that still works right there. Just have to remove that. And then because I know that each iteration contains a first name and a last name, I can just destructure that to first name and last name. And then I can do first name. I can remove member so that I don't have to repeat myself again using the member. So that's pretty much the JavaScript array map method.